Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, you're going to learn how to create a question and answer on your Facebook profile. Now guys, what we're going to be doing is exactly the same with what you're seeing on my screen right now. So if you want to create or you want to ask a question on Facebook and then get answers from your friends on Facebook, then this video is for you. So creating this is very simple, and you need nothing to do this apart from your Facebook app. So just go ahead and open your Facebook app and log into your Facebook account so you can now get started. Now once you log into your Facebook account and you're ready to do this, just go to your Facebook profile. So I've already gone to my Facebook profile. So if you go to your Facebook profile, scroll down to the post section. So here's the post section on my Facebook profile. So if you scroll down to your Facebook post section, you're going to find these buttons just below your post section. So I'm going to scroll to the last one, which is did you know. So I'm just going to click on that, and if I click on this, you're going to find the question that I've already created on my Facebook profile. So this one, the question says, do you like maths? And you can give me answers to this question by clicking on the answer question button at the bottom of this post. So if someone clicks on it, the person can be able to write an answer to that post. So let me just go back and show you how to create something like this. So if you want to create something like this, you can notice there's a plus icon at the top right corner of this my screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that plus icon, and then if I do that, I can now be able to click on this create question button at the top right corner of my screen. So if I do that, then I can now be able to write my post. So I'm going to write my question and then share it to my friends on Facebook. So okay, let's say, so what am I going to ask right now? Are you my friend? Are you my friend? Just do something simple. Are you my friend? And I'm going to add a question mark. And then I can equally choose to tag some people on my Facebook account. So I'm going to use this tag people button at the bottom of my screen, but I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this post button at the top icon of my screen right now. And if I do that, my post is going to be created and shared on my Facebook newsfeed and timeline. So here's it. Are you my friend? So this is a question. You can go ahead and give it an answer by clicking on the answer button at the bottom of this post. So guys, this is how to create a question and answer on your Facebook profile. So I hope this video was helpful. If you think it was helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and equally give this video a like so that more people can be able to find this video on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.